Little did I know and wish upon a star. I promise I'll go far.
Hi guys, it's Ruby. Good morning from Magic Kingdom. We are rope dropping. We are here before the park is even open. We are gonna get on all the rides, do a ton of stuff. We're gonna be here all day. So if you wanna come along and see everything we do, make sure you stick around. And if you're not subscribed, we are gonna be doing all the parks. I will have vlogs for every single one. Let's go do some rides. I'm so excited. Rope drop dance. No, people start battering ramming you. It's flawless out here. She's the one who runs the castle. I love it. Have a magical day. Thank you. Have a magical day. I love it. Rope dropping pirates.
Pirate will! The lover aloft, lady! Where be Captain Jack?
Bring up the artist!
Who am I, did I come?
A toast to piracy and its many shiny rewards.
Okay, first ride of the day, in my opinion, should be Pirates of the Caribbean. Absolutely. It's not gonna have a long wait. A lot of the big attractions, people are gonna go jump on those, like Seven Dwarfs. Skip that first, come to Adventureland, come ride Pirates, and we just walked right on to the next ride. Our next ride, Big Thunder Mountain. This is in Frontierland. Frontierland is kind of a dead end and you're gonna have to loop back. So I highly recommend after Adventureland that you jump into Frontierland, get the rides done you wanna get done here, and then loop over to Liberty Square onto Fantasyland. Next ride, you gotta go on Haunted Mansion. My absolute favorite ride here in the Magic Kingdom. Young and old, everybody will love this one. It's a classic dark ride. And early in the morning, it usually has a shorter wait. The wait will get really, really long in the afternoon, so hit this one early.
Our tour begins here in this gallery. Here where you see paintings of some of our guests as they appeared in their corruptible, mortal state. There's no turning back now.
Okay, next ride, Small World. Now I know what you're thinking, Small World, why would you prioritize that one? It's not a favorite of everybody, the song can get a little annoying. However, to me, the beautiful artwork from Mary Blair, an iconic engineer, along with the fact that this was an opening day attraction in Disneyland, to me it's a must-do, especially because right now it's walk-on, so you can walk right on in the morning.
That will be a source of joy and inspiration to all the world.
Okay, we made it to Tomorrowland. We are heading first into Space Mountain. This one right now has a 20-minute wait. That's actually pretty short for Space Mountain. It's one of the iconic mountains. Depending on how busy this season is, I think this one is the one you should do last out of the mountains. But we're gonna do this one and then do a couple other must-dos in Tomorrowland. All right, just finished Space Mountain. If you are afraid, don't ride in the front. I almost saw my own death. It's honestly totally pitch black, so it's hard to film for you guys, but a really, really thrilling coaster. Now we are gonna go try and defeat the evil Emperor Zurg and help the green aliens by shooting at targets and try to beat him, and let's see who gets the high score.
I am Buzz Lightyear. I come in peace.
Okay, how did we do? Score?
1900.
7,200. 190,000. So, I don't know what ride everybody else is riding, but I whooped everybody. Cooled down after the People Mover. We're all very thirsty and we need to eat. You gotta remember to stay hydrated and have a snack. We're going to head to Main Street and I think we are gonna go have something at Casey's Corner. It's an iconic spot to get a hot dog. Decided to stop for lunch and we are here at Casey's Corner. Everything is mobile order now, so I just put our mobile order in for a chili cheese hot dog and corn dog nuggets, which you absolutely have to get. So we're just waiting for that to go and we're gonna have something to eat. Okay, so you may have noticed an outfit change. So after lunch, we actually got downpoured on, which be prepared if you're in Florida. The afternoons, it does get really, really rainy. That was a perfect opportunity for us to head back to the room, take a good power nap, change, and feel refreshed. So now we're feeling really ready. We have some dinner tonight, we have fireworks, but it's early enough that we can jump on a few more rides, so let's go. Ariel's my favorite princess. All right, another iconic attraction with a really low wait, starring your favorites from Alice in Wonderland. Teacups! It's the teacups, a favorite of Emily's, and a really easy one to jump on. Let's go. Oh God, here we go. She's the Exit. Such a fun ride, very much like a carnival ride, like a fair. Speaking of a fair ride, there's another really iconic attraction that we have to go ride that usually has pretty much no wait. Let's go.
Have we ever been here before?
Never.
Ah, fresh meat, huh?
Made it to dinner. We had to rush because it started raining and we were having so much fun that we forgot what time it was. But we have made it to Jungle Skipper Canteen Navigation Co. Most people just call it Skipper Canteen. And this restaurant is themed after the Jungle Cruise. So your skippers or your servers are gonna be like really punny and silly. And they have like more of an adventurous menu for a really reasonable price. So we are gonna go ahead and order some food and we'll see how it is. Okay, if your skipper doesn't recommend it to you, there is an off-menu item that you definitely have to try. It's the Brazilian cheese bread. It's called pão de queijo, and it comes with like a poblano cream cheese bread, and it's really delicious. So it's not on the menu, so make sure you ask for it. Okay, So I decided to be adventurous. We are doing an Ethiopian chickpea soup. It is vegan, and I'm also having this salad, which is also vegan. I know my plant-based friends love when I recommend something for you guys, so I'm gonna give these a try, something light. Mr. Ruby got the steak, and it's huge for the price. It's a really reasonable restaurant. Like, this is less than 20 bucks, so I'm digging in. Just finished up dinner. It was so good. The soup had a nice little kick to it. It was creamy. All in all, I think that restaurant is kind of underrated. Great theming and good price point, but it's getting dark, and that means it is time for fireworks. So we are gonna go find a spot. Okay, fireworks are not for 45 minutes, and yet I highly recommend you come and save yourself a seat. As you can see, the main part right in front of the castle where the projections are gonna be is already super full. Get yourself a spot, take turns going to get snacks and stuff, and you will be very happy you did. Alright, well now that I had a good cry, the fireworks were amazing, but it's time to go. The park is closing, so we're gonna take this slow walk out of here to the bus. If you guys enjoyed this video, just be sure to hit subscribe. I'm gonna be doing all the different parks. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next Disney vlog.